बिग अपडेट गाइज, अगर आपने अपना नीट का रजिस्ट्रेशन मिस कर दिया था तो अभी भी आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि आप नीट के लिए रजिस्टर कर सके और उसका एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म भर सके। Yes, the news is that NEET has extended its deadline from 8th of March 2026 to 11th of March 2026. Yes, you heard it correct. पहले NEET का registration close हो रहा था 8th of March 2026 को and the submission of the form ended by 11:50 PM on 8th of March. Now, as per the current notice by NTA, as you can see on the screen, the date of submission of online application form of the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, that is NEET UG 2026, has been extended up to 11th of March 2026 by 9 PM. The payment of the fees can be made up to 11:50 PM on 11th of March 2026. इसका मतलब ये है कि अभी आप रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं 11th of March 9 PM तक और फॉर्म की पेमेंट 11th of March 11:50 PM तक कर सकते हैं। Candidates are advised to complete the filling up of the form within the extended date and time. No further extension will be granted. इसके बाद कोई भी extension time, extra amount of time आपको नहीं provide किया जाएगा. So this is your last opportunity to go and apply for NEET UG 2026 if you haven't applied yet. Do not miss this opportunity if you want to build a bright career in MBBS or medicals. Also, one more thing, correction windows were about to open from 10th of March to 12th of March 2026, which is as per the guideline. लेकिन after the extension of the deadline, there is a probability we are expecting कि correction window की भी deadline को बाद में extend करेंगे। तो अगर आपसे कोई error हो जाती है तो correction window के time में उस particular error को आप improve कर सकते हैं, rectify कर सकते हैं। I hope this news has been quite useful for you. Do not forget to subscribe to Medical 360 for such updates and interesting content. Go get yourself registered for NEET today itself. Thank you.